Hey guys, welcome back to the next lecture. In this one, we're going to create our very first table. We're going to do a really quick one, and I'm going to just jump straight in. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to create a really fictitious business. Now I'm going to call that business Jed's Hot Dog Business. All right, so you just click on a cell and fill it in. Pretty easy. Now what we want to do is create a table. So we need table headings. All right, so imagine just any business. You're going to be plotting what day it is, okay? The number of hot dogs in stock. So we just type that in, like so. The hot dogs we've sold for that day. And then later on, we're going to calculate. We're going to let Excel do the calculation. Hot dogs remaining at the end of the day. All right, like so. Now let's just fix that up by adjusting the column widths. All right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to fill in this table with some random data. So we're going to do this for 7 days. So let's do day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we want to put just some random numbers in there. So let's do 10, 15, 14, 21, 22, 12, and 17. Now we also want to say how many hot dogs we've sold. So again, let's put some random numbers in there. 7, let's say 2, that was a bad day. 5, 8, 9, 10, that was a good day. And lastly, let's do 5. Okay, so pretty cool. Now, we're not going to leave it like this because the formatting, it's not the best. All right, so let's give this some formatting. So we're going to highlight the table we're using. We're going to click and drag. Now we're actually going to increase it by 1 because we're going to do some stuff a bit later. So let's go to the borders. Now to do the borders, you want to go here to Home, Font, and Borders. And you just want to click this old borders one, like so. Right? Then the next thing is we want to fix the alignment. Now, I'll show you what alignment actually looks like by doing it. I'm not going to explain it straight away because it's a bit better by just showing you guys exactly what it is. So you want to go Home, Alignment, and then you want to click on these 2 buttons here. So first, the horizontal alignment. As you can see, the numbers and letters and the words have gone into the center, and we want to do the one above it. So vertical alignment. Okay? Then we want to say we want these headings to be a bit more visible because they are headings. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a bit of basic formatting. We're going to go Home, Font, and this big letter B over here. And that's going to make it thicker. Okay, like so. Now, we also want to give that a bit of color. So again, we'll highlight the column headings. We go Home, Font, and let's make it yellow, like so. Okay, now the heading, I want to be able to see that. So we want that to be bigger. So we go Home again, Font, and then here where you see the number, this is the font size. So we're going to pick something a bit big. Let's say number 36. There we go. All right. So that's all we're going to be doing for this one. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a really quick introduction of how to build a table. All right, guys. I'll see you guys soon.